Hey, how's it going? We are here at the Haval Research and Development facility, and they're just giving us a quick showcase of some of the cars that are made here and developed at this facility. So here's a Regal looking vehicle here. So this is an actual production way being W-E-Y. Very Regal looking vehicle. Then of course you've also got U Energy vehicles, one of the ways right here. There's the badge name right there. Some concept cars too. We got a Haval Solo back there in the background. Another way, and we got the Tank 300, which yes is coming to South Africa. Then of course something very familiar to South Africans, Le P series. This is the new one. I'm assuming this is the facelift, please correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, we've got Aura in the background there, namely with the Funky Cat and the Lightning Cat. So yeah, everything you need is pretty much here.
Search Auto Trader.